Now, how to run profitable ClickBank Google Ads campaign in 2026 as a beginner, or maybe someone who has already tried affiliate marketing with CPA, with ClickBank or other networks and failed, okay, and got stuck. So as you watch this video, in this 6-minute video, I'm going to review to you exactly, as you can see over here, with affiliate marketing, how I was able to do it using Google Ads. Now, the most important thing, as you can see over here, is I have had almost 50% conversion rate. As you can see, if I click here, 100 clicks, 49 actions, and 2,800 euros in sales, which is really great. Okay, now how this works with Google pay-per-click ads, okay, in 2026. As you can see over here, right, the first thing is that it's all about buyer's intent, buyer's traffic, and buyer's clicks. Okay, there are two reasons why someone would go on Google. It's maybe 10 p.m., it's 1 a.m. in the morning, okay, in the evening, in the nighttime, and they have some problem, they have some pain they're dealing with. So they go and type into the Google in the dark, right? They type in on their mobile phone, on the laptop computer, they check for the solutions to their pains and problems that they are dealing with 24/7. It could be diabetes, it could be some other disease, okay? It could be back pain, it could be weight loss, like dating stuff, right? Anything, right? Financial space. So this is very important. Why? Because when we are on Google, we are promoting to those kind of audiences, okay? So keep this in mind. Now, what actually, let me show you over here, okay? Let me click over here and let me type in so you can see, okay? So, okay, what works, okay? What works in, let's say, in 2026, as you watch this video right now, okay? It's about having the right adverts, advertorial, pre-sale pages that actually gets the reader's guard down, to lower the guard down. Why? Because people are fed up with sales, right? They see Facebook ads, they see YouTube ads, TikTok ads, Google ads, so they know they have to buy some product at the end, right? So what we do as an affiliate, we're not selling the products, we are pre-selling 5 points, and those 5 points are psychological, emotional, and they are very, very, very important if you want to make conversions or get traffic to convert. If you are watching this video, maybe you have failed before, it's not your fault. Maybe you bought courses, you tried to make money with ClickBank, you tried to run Google pay-per-click ads, maybe even native ads, and you have failed. Okay, it's not your fault. Why? Because maybe you have been following the wrong, outdated methods. All right. So the pre-sale page is to pre-sell the product before they ever hit the offer or VSL page on ClickBank. Very important, right? So let me show over here. The reason why beginners fail on Google pay-per-click is not about the budget, right? It's the page they are sending the traffic to. That's the main goal. That's the main thing. The problem is where you're sending your traffic to. Traffic are audiences, eyeballs, people watching, right? And you don't want to waste your money and time on the wrong type of audiences or the wrong type of message. So you have to have, if you have a pen and paper, write it down. Message to the market match. Again, message to the market match. It's very important. My friend, once you have that, you will finally be able to get sales and conversions like other super affiliates on ClickBank. Okay? It's not a magic or a trick. It's a deeper layer of marketing. And marketing is nothing else than change work. Belief change, okay, behavior change. So all these things are important. Now you don't have to learn this yourself. I'm just letting you know what was missing before all those months or even years that you have tried ClickBank, you've tried running paid traffic, paid ads, media buying, copywriting, and you never made a dime online. It's not your fault. Okay? You can see why. Now, why Google loves this kind of work as an affiliate we do, super affiliates in 2026, is because you're not just converting readers, right? You're training Google algorithm, okay, to find more buyers like them. So basically you are telling Google, hey, I already have 5 or 10 buyers, so go out there and find similar audiences with same interests, with same desire like previous ones. Do you get it? Okay, simple. Once you step back and see the bigger picture, it will allow you to start having results. All right? So if you're saying, I don't have a big budget. No, it's not about the budget. You can start with as low as $5 to $10 a day. Yes, I'm going to repeat myself. 5 to 10 US dollar a day. All right, that's minimum what you can do it, because once you have better quality score, it will allow you to get cheaper clicks, and you will spend automatically less money on advertising. Okay, with Google, of course, we're talking about Google over here. As you can see, I'm always going for bidding for conversions. Okay, my focus is let's go for conversions, let's go for the sales. No, we are not building email lists here. No, we are not doing that. It's outdated. We are going straight for the sale because it's the cheapest and the most economical way, if you do the math on the back end, to get profitable as soon as possible. ASAP. Okay, ASAP, as soon as possible. So the reason this affiliate system works when nothing else you have tried is because it turns your Google account that you're already using into a profitable product selling machine using a simple Google loophole. Okay, and this Google loophole, it will allow you to start having daily affiliate sales and affiliate commissions without showing your face, without making any kind of videos, even if you have failed before, even if you have lost money before. Okay, so it will allow you to get results and finally be profitable, and that's the goal, right? So what is the secret? You can see we have 5 stages of awareness audiences. Again, you don't have to learn this yourself. Okay, if you're working 9 to 5 job, you don't have to learn this yourself, but it's good to know, to have it on the side, because once we work together, it will allow you to start using these templates, using this copy machine that will install the system for you. So basically, we install the system in 2026 for your Google account, so you can actually convert into the buyers. And that's the most important thing, going after the problem aware and most aware audiences, right? Those are the people who are already aware they have a problem. Okay, so it's easier to make commissions from people who are already searching for a product, who are already searching for a solution, than to go after unaware audiences who don't even know they have a problem and who don't even know or believe they need a solution for their pains and problems. Okay, very important thing. Now, all you have to do is, okay, again, all you have to do right now as you watch this video is we pick one ClickBank offer or any other CPA offer using our exact system and criteria, and then we set up Google ad campaign at, let's say, minimum $5, okay, but you can start with $15 as well. So it really depends on your personal budget, or no pressure there. So you go do it with that, and then it takes under 60 minutes, so less than 1 hour, you set up, and then the ad spends come back in the same day. So basically in the first 1 day, in the first 24 hours, you break even, and that's the goal. The goal is not to keep spending. No, the goal is to break even in the same day and make your money back from your ad spend, and then go after the rest, the profit. It's all your cash in your bank account, ATM machine we call it as an affiliate. Now, the reason why I'm telling you this, you see, is because, okay, if you're not doing any split testing, we're not wasting weeks on ad spend. No, we have product with great upsell take rate, so you can make more from the same customer over and over again. It's called passive income online. Okay, with upsell take rate, meaning there are many more products on the back end that you can make commissions from. So again, this works as you watch this video right now. This works even if you have never made a dollar online, even if you don't have any IT tech skills or website. Okay, if you don't have a audience, if you have tried other things and you have failed, okay, and even if you work 9 to 5 right now. So if you work full-time job right now, this is perfect for you. Why? Because if you have 20 to 30 minutes besides your work in a day, okay, it can allow you, and it will allow you to start naturally having results using Google algorithm, Google loophole system. Okay, now you can see some of the students, what happens once you step inside our system. You can see the results over here. She's from Spain, making over 30,000 US dollars per month. So now imagine that, $30,000 per month. Now maybe it sounds a lot for you, but once you step back, once you're in it for 90 days or 30 days, you start having results. You see, heck, I made my first $300 in a day. And then you do the math. You say, heck, if you can make $300 in 1 day, okay, let's do the math. Let's say 30 days, 1 month, you're making over 9,000 US dollars per month. And it doesn't take a genius to get to this level. Why? Because one sale can be $500, one sale can be even $200. So it really depends on the product you are promoting, okay? With 90% affiliate commissions, of course. Again, another person over here, right? So it doesn't matter what language you speak, which country you're in. What's important is that you have a little bit of time, 20 to 30 minutes per day, and some money to invest in yourself so you can actually get up and running and fast forward yourself to have this kind of results, as you can see. And that's really what's most important to me, okay? So as you watch this video, if you are action taker, if you're not procrastinator, if you're serious, if you actually want to finally have results with ClickBank affiliate marketing or CPA affiliate marketing using Google Ads or even Facebook ads, you can let me know. There's my email, okay? Facebook Messenger and WhatsApp number. Yes, my personal cell phone number, okay? Below in the description under this YouTube video, where you can connect with me one-on-one, but only as long as you're serious and you actually want to finally start having results in 2026.